I'm Henry and I'm with Justin from OSREN Australia here today, and we're going to full detail this Mercedes CLA 45.
Yeah, I'm very excited to be working with you on this particular car. Do the engine first, that way we're not doing the exterior and blowing dirt from the engine bay back onto the paintwork. So work our way from the engine bay, paintwork, wash, decontamination, correction, and then we start from door jams. Engine bay, we commonly use degreaser FX or multi-cleaner, and then we can use detailing brushes to agitate around the any crevices, any engine components, the engine jam, just to clean that out, remove any leaves and so forth. So typically what I'd do, I'd spray brake dust cleaner on the wheel. I'll spray as much as I can on the face and on the inner barrel, and I'll start inside out. So I'd use a wheelbarrow brush to drag the debris, the dirt, the brake dust forward. Once I'm satisfied with that cleaning process, then I'll do, on this particular vehicle, the spokes individually, and then the face, and then rinse off. Rinsing off, I don't use a pressure washer, I just use a garden hose nozzle. That way you can sort of rinse, sheet the water off and see if you've missed any spots. With a Mercedes like this where it's got Brembo brakes, this is a chance where you can move the car back and forth just to get into the brake caliper. So using a detailing brush or a wheel brush, and you can detail the wheel lugs out as well.
the leather seats are perforated.
Yep.
So there's some holes. So when you're gonna apply dressing on it, leather cream or leather soft, if there's too much product, it might sit into the perforation, and then it's gonna clog up and it's gonna look like dots. So what we usually do is we put a little bit of product there, and then we flatten out with the sponge, sort of like closing the thing together.
Yeah. Just so you don't have any clumps, and sort of level it out nice and smooth, so it just runs over the surface.
So and doesn't go into the perforation.
Yeah.
So that's important for perforated leathers.
Swells lots. I see some sandy marks here. I don't know, but
actually, I think polishing is very easy if all the paints in the world are the same. But because paints have hard, soft, ceramic, ceramic paint, scratch-resistant paint. Some reacts in a some are very dry in general, some are very oily. So because of all these variations, we need to really understand what feedback we're getting from the paint and how we choose the pads and how we choose the compounds to work around it.
I get the most satisfaction out of paint correction. The 50-50 result makes me happy. I always take videos and show my customer, you know, before and after, like this is how your paint was, this is the result, and they're always blown away. And the feedback that I get makes me happy and makes me feel satisfied. But the same thing goes for the interior. If you've got staining, if you've got Alcantara trim, suede roof lining, and you don't know how to clean that, or you haven't looked into that, then how are you more so a detailer? You've got to sort of know all aspects of detailing.
Alright, that's it guys. We had fun detailing the CLA and I hope you guys managed to learn a few things or two. I had my fair share of learning today. Justin here has taught me many things, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because Justin from OSREN Australia here, he has his own YouTube channel as well. He'll be posting tips, tricks, advices on detailing from time to time. Be sure to subscribe and be the first to check that out. So yeah, that's all from me. I'll see you next time. Catch you later.
thanks guys, see you later, bye.